How to set D4 safe drawer. Install 4 AA batteries into the battery cabin. First, fingerprint registration. Scan any finger, open the drawer. Find the setting button. Press the setting button once, the light is on, then press the button once, the light turns into blue. Scan your finger for 5 times at slightly different angles. The light turns into green, then turns into blue again. Scan the fingerprint again for another 5 times at different angle. The light turns into green, the fingerprint is registered. Scan the registered fingerprint, light turns into green. The second fingerprint registration. Open the drawer. Find the setting button. Press the setting button once, the light is on, then press the button once, the light turns into blue. Scan your finger for 5 times at slightly different angles. The light turns into green, the fingerprint is registered. Note, the first fingerprint need to register twice, and other fingerprints need to register once, to unlock by password. Scan the unregistered fingerprint, holding. Release the finger until purple light flashes. Light turns into green. Enter the first to 3 to press the scanner thrice. Green light turns into blue. Enter the second to 3 to press the scanner thrice. Blue light turns into purple. Enter the third to 3 to press the scanner thrice. The light turns into green, correct password, unlocked. System initialization. Open the drawer, find the setting button. Press the setting button, holding, blue light flashes. The light turns into red and turns into green finally. Scan any finger, light turns into blue, system initialized. System initialized. All the fingerprints are deleted. Password is back to 333.